Hello student, today we will start second part of our first topic, that is similarity. We have already seen the condition or the definition of similar triangle. When we can say that two triangles are similar when their corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are in same proportion. Okay, today we will discuss test of similarity of triangles, out of which first test is angle test. We use here short form AAA test for similarity. For given correspondence of vertices, when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then two triangles are similar. Okay, for example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in a correspondence, ABC corresponds to PQR if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R, then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Means for given correspondence of vertices, when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then these two triangles are similar, by which test AAA test, that is angle test for similarity. Now second test is side angle side. We use here short form SAS test for similarity. For given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are in same proportion and the angle between them are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. Means two sides and their included angle. Sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. Now we discuss the example. Here in triangle KLM and triangle RST, angle KLM is congruent to angle RST. KL upon RS, which is equals to LM upon ST, which is equals to 2/3, means two sides and their included angle. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by side angle side test. Third test is SSS test, that is side test for similarity. For given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, when three sides of a triangle are in proportion to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then two triangles are similar. Side means three sides of first triangle and three sides of another triangle are in same proportion. For example, in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, if PQ upon XY is equals to QR upon YZ is equals to PR upon XZ, these ratios are equal, that is the sides are in same proportion, then triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ, by which test side test for similarity. Okay, we have discussed three tests for similarity. First is angle test. Second is side angle side test, and third is side test. Okay, now we will discuss the properties of similar triangles. First, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC, means each triangle is similar with itself. Okay, this property is known as reflexivity. Second, if triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, then triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. That is symmetry. For example, if A is similar to B, then B is similar to A. This property is nothing but symmetry. Third property is if triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle GHI. This property is nothing but transitivity. For in short, if A is similar to B and B is similar to C, then A is similar to C. This is nothing but the transitivity. Which properties and the test for similarity we have seen are used for solving the example. Now we will discuss the examples based on this test. First example in are the triangles in figure similar? If yes, by which test? First, observe the figure. The side length of the sides are given in the figure. If we consider the ratios PQ upon LM, PQ 6, LM 3, 6 upon 3 which is equals to 2, give equation number first. Second, consider QR upon MN 8 upon 4 which is equals to 2, give equation number second. Third, PR upon LN, substitute values 10 upon 5 which is equals to 2, equation number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, if we observe these three equations, right hand side is equal. Therefore, left hand side also be equal. Therefore, we get PQ upon LM is equals to QR upon MN is equals to PR upon LN. Means the corresponding sides are in same proportion. Therefore, we can say that triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN by side test. ओके, साइड्स ह्या काय मिळाल्यात आपल्याला सेम प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये मिळाल्यात. त्यामुळे ट्रायंगल्स हे कुठल्या टेस्टनुसार कॉन्ग्रुएंट येतील? साइड टेस्टनुसार. ओके, आपण ज्या टेस्ट बघितल्या त्याचा यूज हे असे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करण्यासाठी होतो. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल बघूया आपण. इन ट्रॅपेझियम ABCD, साइड AB is parallel to side DC, diagonal AC and BD intersect in point O. If AB is equals to 20, DC is equals to 6, OB is equals to 15, then find OD. Now observe the figure. Side AB is parallel to side DC and on transversal AC. If we consider AC as a transversal, then these two angles, which angles? Angle DCO and angle BAO are alternate angles formed by these two parallel lines and transversal. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. Therefore, angle DCO is congruent to angle OAB. Reason is alternate angles. Give equation number 1. Now, again side AB is parallel to side DC on transversal BD. If we consider BD as a transversal, then angle CDO and angle ABO are also congruent. Reason is alternate angles. There we have written here angle CDO is congruent to angle ABO. Reason is alternate angles. Equation number second. That is, in these two triangles we have get two pairs of alternate angles that is congruent. Now in triangle COD and triangle AOB, from equation 1, angle DCO is congruent to angle AOAB. From 1, From second, angle CDO is congruent to angle ABO, and angle COD and angle BOA are opposite angles. Therefore, we get in triangle COD and triangle AOB, three pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, we can say that triangle COD similar to triangle AOB by which test? Angle test. Therefore, its corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. Therefore, we do not consider three ratios. We consider only two ratios which we have required. Therefore, CD upon AB is equals to OD upon OB. Reason is corresponding sides. The length which already given in example we put here. Therefore, we get OD is equals to 4.5. OD is equals to 4.5. Okay. Here we use the angle test for similarity and prove the triangles similar. Now, next example. In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P. AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP. Then prove that angle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. Okay. We have already given the condition AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP. Reason is given. Now, angle APB and angle CPD are opposite angle. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP by which test? Side angle side test. Two sides and their included angle. Next example. In the figure, triangle ABC, point D on side BC is such that angle BAC is equals to angle ADC. Prove that AC square is equals to CB into CD. Now, in triangle BAC and triangle ADC, angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. BAC and ADC हे दोन angles already काय दिलेले आहेत? Congruent दिलेले आहेत, given. Now, angle ACB and angle ACD, this angle is common to both triangle. Therefore, reason is common angle. Then, triangle BAC similar to triangle ADC by which test? Angle test. Therefore, its corresponding sides are in proportion. CA upon CD is equals to CB upon CA. Reason is corresponding side. If we cross multiplied it, then what we get here? CA square is equals to CB into CD. Here we have proved that these two triangles are similar by angle test, and we use the property of corresponding sides. Now, next property is theorem of areas of similar triangles. We have seen the statement, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Means, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB square upon PQ square, which is equals to BC square upon QR square, which is equals to AC square upon PR square. ओके, एक्झाम्पल्स ह्याच्यावरचे कसे येतात बघा. एरियाज दिलेले असतात आणि त्याच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड मधली एक कुठली तरी साइड दिलेली असते, दुसऱ्या ट्रायंगलची साइड फाइंड आउट करायची असते, किंवा साइडचा रेशो दिलेला असतो त्याच्यावरून एरियाचा रेशो फाइंड आउट करायचा असतो. नाव वी विल डिस्कस द एक्झाम्पल्स बेस्ड ऑन दिस प्रॉपर्टी. इफ ट्रायंगल ABC similar to triangle PQR and AB as to PQ is equals to 2 as to 3, then fill in the blanks. See here, triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, which is equals to AB square upon, what we get here, AB upon इथं काय येणार मग PQ square, which is equals to 2 square upon 3 square, which is equals to 4 upon 9. Next example is area of similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of bigger triangle. Here the name of triangles are not given, therefore we consider the triangle as per our choice. Let triangle PQR similar to triangle XYZ. Let area of triangle PQR is equals to 225 square centimeter and area of triangle XYZ is equals to 81 square centimeter. That is